Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change appearance in Pokemon GO. If you want to change the appearance of your avatar in Pokemon GO, then here's how you do it. Launch the Pokemon GO app on your mobile device and wait for the game to load. Once you're in the main screen, tap on your trainer icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now you'll end up in this page from where you'll need to tap on Style. Inside Style, tap on Appearance at the top, and then you can go ahead and customize your appearance. Here you can change face shape, add hair. Here you can go ahead and change your hair as well. Select body type of your avatar, eyes colors, hair color, and so on. You can also customize your clothes and outfits and also footwears. Pick new hats, glasses, shirts, pants, and footwear according to your preference. Some items are free and some may require Poké Coins. After making the changes, you can get back to the home page and your new avatar will reflect on the account. And that's how you can easily update your trainer's appearance in Pokemon GO. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.